Hey guys, I just want to step you through how to use the Shortcode Magic plugin. It's actually very simple, and when you install the plugin you'll see that you've got a whole bunch of new icons here in your WordPress editor in the visual mode. Each of these icons will insert a particular function or a particular style or layout to your page using what are called shortcodes, which are just small tags that define how particular elements of your page are going to look. So let's begin at the beginning and just start with a title or a heading. So I'm just going to grab some text here for the title. If I paste it into the editor and select it and then click on the heading icon, I get some options that appear here for color, font, style, and so on, and size. So I'm just going to pick a vibrant red. I'm going to choose the font to be PT Serif because I like that one. And I'm going to set the size to 3 and keep normal and centered. So click insert and you'll see that your text is now wrapped around some brackets here which define the options that you've just chosen. So if you click update, you can see now that we have a headline running across the page here with the options that we chose. It's red, it's got the particular font we chose, and it's centered. So if we go back here, you can do other things with this heading. You can add a different color to different parts of the heading to make it stand out. So if you again select some text and choose this option here for standout text and choose the color for the text, let's choose a vibrant green and click insert. Once again, update. And you can see that the green text has been inserted in the headline now. You can use this to insert different color text in any paragraph text anywhere throughout your post. The next thing you can do is add a divider. So we'll click on the divider icon and you can select full width, half width, depending on how wide your page is or your column. So I'm going to select full width. I'm going to keep it plain, centered, and clear both, which means that everything is pushed beneath it. So if I click insert, update again, you can see now that a nice shadowed sort of divider has been placed there. You've got various types of dividers to choose from, paper effect, just a plain line, and other options there as well. So let's move on and let's see, we can add some video here by clicking on the video shortcode icon. And we can select the video to be any width we want, say 800 by 300. You can select a YouTube or a Vimeo video. So I'll just insert the YouTube video there. Update. And you can see now that the video has been added below. So as I said, it's really very easy to use. You've got options for buttons. You got the same options. You got different styles and colors. You've got icon buttons, text buttons, square buttons, and so on. So you select all of the options you want, click insert, and it's as simple as that. I will give you a quick tip for inserting lists. The sequence for inserting lists goes like this. First, add the shortcode. So let's choose I'm just going to choose the star icon for the list. I'm going to select the font PT Serif again, and I'm going to select a large list. So I click insert. Then add the elements for the list. Let's just take the text from here to make it faster. And then select the elements on the list and click on unordered list. I'm just going to hit some space in between the video here so there's no wraparound on that. Select update. And if I scroll down, you can see that there's now a list here. So my advice to you is not to create the list first like this and then wrap around and add the shortcode, because it for some reason messes things up. The sequence is to create the list shortcode and then insert your list items within it. So that's just a tip because that caused me some problems initially. What else? You've got highlighter text. It's the same. You just select your text and choose a highlighting option, color, and choose a color from the list there, insert, and you'll have some highlighted text. The autoresponder, once again, is fairly straightforward and simple. You click on the icon. You'll see that you've got to put in your source here. You'll find this in the script version of your auto responder in Aweber Get Response. So you just select your source, the HTTP to the JS, and you insert it in that field there. Click Insert. You style your list as normal in Aweber Get Response, and when you refresh, then you can see that we have the list inserted. So another feature I'll show you with the plugin is how to create columns. You select this option here, and for the first column is last no, so we'll make 2 half columns. It's not the last column, so we'll select the no option, and we'll just put in the other column to make the other half, and we'll select yes because it is the last column. So it's important that when you have the last column that you select yes. So let's just grab some text for the columns. Pop it in here in between the tags. That's the first column, and this is the second column. We'll update. Once again, refresh. And there we have 2 columns of text side by side. So there's options for adding 3 columns and 4 columns as well. So that's as easy as it is to add the columns. And let me see what else we have. Then we've got the social share options here. You can add a Facebook. Click Update. And you can see the Facebook share button has appeared. You've got options also. You can also display all of them together, or you can choose to have Twitter, Dig, or Stumble. So you've got this pretty neat feature here for the Google Maps. It's literally just copy and paste the source for the map in there. Let's take this example. You can resize the map using the width and height options here, and you can click Insert. So before we look at that, I'll also add a chart. You can use a chart to present any of your business information or your stats or whatever, and I'm just going to leave the default options there. You can change the background colors and so on. So I'm just going to click Insert as the default and Update. And here we have a map and a chart. And finally, I'll just show you how to insert some boxes. There's 3 types of boxes you can choose from. There's a content box, a colored content box. There's a shadowed box, and then there's an action box. So let's just work with one of the content boxes, and we'll select a mute gray, make it round, and we'll select an icon for the box of a calendar, say. Click Insert. Let's get some content for the box. That there. Update. Refresh once again. And there we have the rounded corners content box. So that's as easy as it is to use the Shortcode Magic plugin. I hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us and I'll get back to you.